Hello friends, welcome back to the channel SMR TECH. Hope you all are doing well. First of all, I want to thank you all for watching the videos and supporting the channel. So let's come to the today's topic, which is requested by most of the subscribers, about how to install a UiPath Community Edition in our laptop or PC. So let's start it. Open Google Chrome and search for uipath.com. So this is the uipath.com, which is official website. You need to click on try UiPath for free. So in order to register with UiPath, you need to have a email ID. So you can have any of the email, which is Google, Microsoft, or any other email. Whichever you have, you can just click on sign in with that. So I will continue with Google account. Once logged in, you will land to this page. Here, if you have already created your organization, you can continue from here, or else if you want to create a new organization, you can just click here and enter the details like first name, last name, job title, and just updating as a RPA, and here the country, region, business name. So I'll just show you an example. So click on next. The name of the organization and select the region. After updating all the field, you can just click on create organization. So I already created. I'll just go back to the created organization name. Once logged in, you will be landed to this page. So if you already have an organization or if you created a new organization, in the both cases you'll be landing to the same page. From here you can download a UiPath Studio and you'll be having many options over here. So if you know it, you can go and check all these options. As of now, we need to download a UiPath Studio. So I will not download now because I already downloaded. So I'll just go to my download section and install the software from there. So here is my software, UiPath Studio Community. So you can click on quick recommended for community users. Because we are using a community edition, we can click this option and check this box, I accept the terms and conditions, then click on install. So it will take some time to install the software. If you want to continue installing the UiPath extension for Chrome, please close all your Chrome processes, then click OK. So in order to install the extensions for the browser, we need to close the browsers. Click OK. Again, it is asking same for Edge also, so I'll just click OK. So again, click OK. So here the UiPath setup is completed. You can just click on launch UiPath Studio. So it is opening now. So once installed, you need to sign into the UiPath in order to start using it. So let the URL be as it is. Just click on sign in. Enable the extension. So once you click on sign in, you'll be redirected to this page. Here you have already created an organization, so you can click which organization you want. So I'm just clicking on this. So I got one pop-up. I'll just click on open UiPath. So this will be directly connected to the UiPath Studio. Yes, it's connected now. Now UiPath Studio has been started. You can check the version number from here. You have multiple options: open, start, tools, and here you can check all the extensions you want to install or uninstall, templates, themes, settings. So you can start using. That's it for today. Hope you like the video. Please like the video if you like the content. Subscribe my channel. Please comment below if you have any suggestions. Thank you for watching SMR Tech.